Okay, we're gonna focus on Zhuhai do Pai Kok, which is also where this station is at. So we'll just kind of see how that goes. Okay, I'll give you all the details about it. It's got a moon coming up there too. Okay, tell you all about it in a minute. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, Pai Kok. There's our station up there. So before we go up, we're gonna kind of show you around a little bit in this area. First thing first is this big yellow building. So this yellow building used to be where Taipa used to be island that didn't have this Cotai strip over there. So this would be where the boats used to come in. They used to come in right in this spot, and then now they reclaimed all the land between this spot, which is Taipa, and way over there is Cotai. So these casinos are all reclaimed land. They put a bunch of dirt and soil that went all the way between Taipa Island, which is what we're on right now, and Cotai Island, which is way over there, and they built the Cotai Strip. So all that is Cotai Strip, all that Venetian, Galaxy, all those casinos, Parisian Casino over there. And this is a station. I think this right here used to be where the police used to go. But we're gonna come back in a minute. I just want to show you the station a little bit, and then a little bit what's around here. There's Cotai Hospital right there. Kind of a small local type of hospital. The bigger one is on the Macau side. So you got a station right here. Got some nice trees right here. Got a little bike right there. And this is called Peacock Station. So so this whole thing is Peacock Station. And Galaxy is right over there. And then this is Zhuhai do Pai Kok right here in front of GoPro Hospital. So I think my plan is to go down a little bit and kind of circle around a little bit. It's GoPro. And down there is like a sports facility down that way. But on this street you don't really see much of it. It's I think it comes up to the street, but you can't really see the bulk of it. So we're gonna come back down this way and kind of give you some context to more of the street from this side. It's McDonald's because you can park in here and go down to the McDonald's not too far from here. There's our Pai Kok Station, and our Zhuhai do Pai Kok is what we're walking on right now. And then we're gonna walk straight ahead, and I think we walk onto another street in a minute. But we have this nice, I think this is called, it's an Italian one. La Cucina? Yeah, it is Italian. La Cucina Italiana. Nice place. Nice little wagon wheel thing. So this street is going to be Zhuhai do Regidor. It's a nice little street. I've filmed this many times. That bike might still be there. I think I filmed that bike last time I was here, which was a week ago. I don't know if the bike has always been there or somebody just always parks there. I'm not sure which. So we're gonna keep on walking down this way. And oops, okay. Battery just died. Got another battery, thankfully. So this is at Villa de Taipa. Then this street right here is all banyan trees that goes all the way down. It's really beautiful. So and then you also have this black and white tiled floor as well. So let's take a look all the way down. So yeah, this one for a while the road used to kind of go like that, in and out, but they redid the whole thing, and now you just have all banyan trees going all the way down and one sidewalk all the way down. But yeah, before the cars would kind of go like this, kind of around the trees a little bit. So they must have that must have been a problem that they had. It looks like they've resolved it. So we're just gonna come down this way a little bit. There's Galaxy Casino. This is this street right here, which is not our focus for this one. Ours is Zhuhai do Pai Kok. but we are going to kind of follow the street. I think it turns into something else, but we're just going to walk down it anyways. Then you kind of have this cool neon light. This is like gold, sell gold and watches and things like that. And let's just kind of keep on going this way. And then this is kind of the back side of that particular street with all the beautiful trees out. It's called Lago de Pont. Also another place with lots of benches and places to sit. There's a restaurant called Wonderful. And that's basically the street that we just went down. And there's a Galaxy Casino there. So we basically just follow that along the Pai Kok metro station, the monorail line. That monorail line that goes to, I think there's like 11 stations. Most of them are casino stations or like immigration point stations, like airport, ferry terminal, and like a bus to China kind of place. All right, hope you like that one. Let's end it right here. Chiquinha, chiquinha.